Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today is going to be an epic day. I don't know if you guys follow me on any of my social media platforms, so you might see what's coming up, but for Christmas, I got a blacksmithing forge, an anvil, and I have a sander. I have made 2 knives so far, which I'll show you, but today we're going to try and make my first bottle opener. It seems pretty easy. Well, I think it should be alright. We'll see how it goes, but you're going to follow me with the journey. And it's going to be an epic day because today we had 8 inches of snow when we woke up, so everyone in Minnesota is pretty much snowed in. Luckily, I live next to my garage, so we get to play. Let's get it. So pretty much what I'm doing in this clip right now is drawing out the steel, going from a round bar to like a flat rectangle to the thickness that I want before we punch the hole to start making the keychain. Alright, so we just got at the point where the metal is drawn out to where I think it should be. So now here comes the fun part. We gotta take a punch and we have to cut a slit in the middle to give us a hole, which I don't know how I'm gonna do that with one person right now. I think I just gotta like get it there, hold the punch, and then hit it a couple times to make like the correct angle of the hole or whatever. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to film it. I don't know how. I don't have my tripod. I got like these little like GoPro tripods right now, and they're not keeping up to the big Canon. But let's see how this goes. Oopsies. Alright, so that one sucked, but yeah, we're getting there. I think we can do it. I gotta use this hole at some point, and it kinda is not, I gotta kinda work the edge. I think this thing should fit in there, so barely. So if I line that hole properly up to right here, this should punch through the metal to get it, but I don't know. Right here to right there. Well, we did it. That's gotta go back into the heat. Alright, so I got the hole punched. It kind of tacoed on me a little too aggressively. So now I gotta go back, straighten it out, make sure it looks where we need it to be, and then we're gonna start using the horn and start rounding out that circle edge to get that bottle opener. That's how we like it. Where'd my fucking hole go? Ah? Where did my fucking hole go? What the fuck is this shit? There's the hole, I see it. I see the opening, boys. Hey-ha! So I got a little punch. It's a little punch. Now we're gonna use that opening to open this and push this straight through the anvil. Flatten it back out. Then we should have enough bigger hole to get onto this horn right here. Oh, god damn. What the fuck is that? It's not good. We might have just fucked that up. Oh yeah, this shit's hard. But it's really fun. So what's going on here? I don't even know how to fix this. What in Jolly Green Giant is this shit? Alright, so we got a hole. And kind of big enough. What the fuck am I doing? I think it's kind of fixable. Maybe. Not perfectly a fucking circle. Looks like a fucking 4-leaf clover. Well, like I said, it can't be perfect on the first try. And yeah, I don't think it's gonna be perfect, but I think we will get a bottle opener. As long as I don't rip through it, and I just keep being gentle, I think I should be able to make somewhat of a bottle opener. Uh-oh. 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 It's getting crazy on me. Calm the fuck down, sir. Fuck. Calm the fuck down, sir. We got a hole. Ah, fuck, we got a rip this. Fuck, this is hard. You know, I've seen 90,000 people build bottle openers on YouTube. And I was like, piece of cake. Oh, them fuckers were lying to me. Rip down here. So we need to get this on there and round that rip out. There we go. There we go. No, this side ripped now. The fuck is fucking bitch? What in the fuck am I doing? Hey, we got a hole though. Fucking right, boys. We got a fucking hole. I hope you guys are having as much fun as I am. So I'm having a blast. My hammer's about to fucking break. Fucking spicy hot. I got aggressive. Ah, shit. What the fuck are you doing? So we got another crack. That one looks bad. I just feel like I'm trying to like get the outside rounded more, but then like I start beating on it, and then it starts ripping like on the other side, because I think it's moving too much. And I think it was too thin to start off with. And like, see, I don't know if that's the correct thing to do, is just keep working that cut. Like, I'm not even sure if that is. I'm gonna guess it's not. But what the fuck? What is this? Let me show you the two knives I made. Where are my knives? Alright, so this is the first knife I've made. This is my first ever blacksmithing, bladesmithing knife. It's really nice. It's decent. I have a lot of hammer marks, but it's alright. Then my second knife is this little gutter, cool little G10 handle. Second knife, I actually got some bevels in, thanks to my buddy Bill. He came over and showed me how to kind of run bevels, but it's a fun little knife. It's hanging off over here. That's just bending. Here, fuck this shit. We're gonna just fucking go bam! Pull this shit the fuck over. Sell this motherfucker on eBay for about $1.50, motherfucker. Like a fucking sailor today. What is going on? Big enough hole, but like I got rippage here, there, and I feel like if I put the little pin thing, should we just put the pin thing in and see how it works? We're gonna put the little pin thing in, chop it, we'll round down the bottom, and we'll just see if we can get it to open a bottle. And then I think it'd be a success. And I think I gotta do it 100 more times, but I think we can do it. So we need the thing to grab the bottle cap. So we're gonna put this in the middle, bang, bang, bang. Put a little dent, that should grab our bottle cap. Right there, probably. Reach over like a goddamn idiot. What does that look like? That looks like shit. Alright. Hosted! What the fuck? I am so bad. Don't touch that with my hand, please. So this is actually incredibly hard. I thought for sure I was just gonna come here and just straight up make the best goddamn bottle opener you've ever seen in your damn life, but it's not happening. Look at this thing glowing red. Ooh, glowy, glowy. Put this there. I don't really know how to do this, so. How's that? That felt good. Okay. Cunt. I think it'll open a bottle. I think. It looks bad. Alright. Moment of truth. So we have our bottle opener, which is just absolutely hideous. I went to the store and got some nice Coca-Cola products, and uh-oh, it bent. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. It's breaking as we speak. We got it. We officially made a bottle opener. Just put that thing right back to it. So yeah, you can tell we got some some cracks here, some cracks here. We got a big crack right there, which one more can, she ain't gonna be looking too good. So I've learned a lot. I think we can make a better one. So we will, eventually. I'll probably make 4 more today. See if I can get them at least looking anything better, because yeah, it just broke. So, alright. Maybe try some new metal. Maybe a little bit thicker metal will be a little bit easier to work with. So it doesn't, like, when you get to the point there's more, yeah, I don't know, more metal maybe, I don't know. Because it's just, I feel like these are just stretch cracks made from me trying to get it like more circular. So I just gotta look and try to figure out a way how to make it smoother in the circle. But we've made something. We'll try again. But everyone, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Peace.